Okay, in this video we're going to be going over how to set up the StandMore. I'm going to be going slow, but as you get better you'll be able to do this in under a minute. So the first thing you'll want to do is take out the tripod assembly. You'll want to take the screw piece out of the bottom here. If this collar up top is tight, you want to loosen that and then pull out this piece here. Put everything to the side to save it for later. Then you want to take the legs out on the tripod. Depending on your height, you may need more of these. I would say if you're shorter, the bottom two may be okay. If you're taller, you'll need the third one. I set the third one about halfway. I just know that's my height. So we'll do the rest of these here. Okay, once you've got the tripod stood up, grab that piece we set aside before, and then you'll grab this piece here, which is the keyboard mount, or keyboard tray mount. You put that in, put it down through this collar, and then this screw collar here, you want to tighten that, and then snap this connector here to set that in place. Then you can grab one of the two trays. I grabbed the top tray here, which is the smaller one. This is for the laptop. Then this piece up top, it may not actually be in this assembly yet, but you'll want to make sure that this is set into the top with the circles facing away from you. Then you set it into this top piece here and tighten it with this adjuster here. Then you put the tray in. What adjusts this is this screw arm here. So you'll want that loosened up. Then you put the tray in, pull it towards you, tighten the little knobs under that tray support to lock it in place, and then you tighten this arm to secure that top tray. You can grab the keyboard tray, set that into the support arm. If you try to put it the wrong way, you won't be able to get the mounts in the holes. So just flip it around 180 and try again. Again, pull it towards you and then screw those little adjusters to lock it in place. So that basically sets your whole assembly here. I'm gonna put my mouse and keyboard or mouse and laptop on here. Just set your keyboard, your Bluetooth keyboard on this tray and your mouse. You can set your computer up top. And now that's the full assembly of the StandMore. So for ergonomics, you want this keyboard tray to be at a height where your arm makes a 90-degree angle at your elbow. And you want the screen set up so the top of the screen is level with your eyes. So this might be a little bit tall for me, but if you need to adjust, here are a couple things that you can do. So if you need to lower the screen, you'll undo the snap adjuster on the keyboard tray, loosen up the screw collar, and then this whole assembly will come up and down. So you want to set that to where you like it, screw the screw collar back in, adjust that snap. If you need to adjust the tray itself, you can just loosen that one here. This comes up and down. You can set that to the perfect height for your arms and for the ergonomics. If you need to adjust the height of everything, you can go to the legs and kind of adjust. It's easier to do those when you're first setting up the tripod, but if you need to, you can adjust those and then you'll start to remember where your setting is on the legs, and you'll always just keep that distance here on that third leg of the tripod. But yeah, that about covers it for the StandMore assembly. And thanks for watching.